One man's trash is another man's treasure, especially if the first guy is throwing out an old chest filled with lots of gold coins. We took a journey to the epicenter of eccentric items, Value Village, and found some unique and priceless artifacts and sat down with the youth of today to see if they knew their history. Roll the footage. Pleasure to meet you. Your name, please.
Tyler.
How do you spell that?
Tyler.
Fascinating. No G.
No. Zoedaniel.
No J.
Maja.
What? Shall we get on to our first piece?
Yes.
Pick it up, examine it, maybe give it a sniff.
No.
That shoe was owned by Canada's first Prime Minister, John A. Macdonald.
That's so cool.
Shall we salute the shoe? Salute it with me.
No.
Come on.
No.
Just a little.
No.
Just a little.
No.
Any idea what it's worth?
$50? 80?
At the right auction, could go for $35,000.
That's a lot of money.
Would you believe it if I told you that this is one of the world's first action figures?
I don't know.
They're known as the Delicate Brothers, Todd and Douglas, and they never liked being hurt, but they would always fight with each other. Oh, no. Oh, isn't that fun? Would you believe? Together, $35,000.
Another $35,000?
Isn't that remarkable?
Is it like a hair styler to curl their hair?
This is actually an obstacle course for mice. During the war, they would take these mice and train them, ground combat, very small, and they would run through and try not to get stabbed by the sharpness.
Cool.
You see, you pull this out here, and you look in it. There you go. Tell me what you see.
Nothing.
Yeah, see, you failed the test. You should really get that looked at. You give it to a child in the early 1800s on their birthday. They would crack it. They would oh, see, they would open it up. They would say, oh my, it's a black disc. And they would throw them in the air. Here, why don't you give it a big toss? Any idea what this is worth?
I'm guessing $35,000.
Well, now that you've opened and threw them, they're actually worthless.
There is. Internet famous.
Incorrect. It actually says Internet famous. It was a Brazilian soccer-playing toddler.
Oh.
Very, very famous. He was about your height, and he played with adult males.
I think you're supposed to throw these and then try to get it into the hoop.
You're kidding me. Surely you're joking. These are jarts. The way you play jarts is by just admiring the art. You can take a turn now.
Yeah.
You see, you lose because you stopped admiring it.
Dang.
You're enjoying yourself?
Nope. Would you believe at the right auction, this is $35,000.
I don't believe